Alright, so here we have a, I guess, relatively old Poulan Pro hydrostatic riding lawnmower. It's got the 42-inch standard MTD deck with the 2-blade setup. It's got a 15 horsepower single cylinder. They call it the yard van Kohler command, but it's just a Kohler command, 15 horse, single cylinder, nothing too crazy. Runs like a champ, as these typically do actually. Got a $50 starter on there I just put on, new solenoid. Key's good. Has a electric PTO, works like a champ. Blades are old, they still cut good though. They're pretty worn, but the cutting edge is still pretty decent on them. When I got it, that tire and that tire were flat. I aired them up. They've been holding there for about a half hour now, so shouldn't be too bad. It's got a fancy hitch put on it, which apparently works. I'm trying to think if there's anything else to tell you about. Hydro works good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than putting a starter on there, putting gas in, and I put a new fuel filter in it. Basic stuff. Starts right up. Oops. Set you down here. Runs like a champ. It's pretty intermediate speed mower. It's not crazy fast. It's not really that terribly slow. Brakes work. Deck's nice and quiet. Not that crazy. It's charging, as you can see there. Yeah. Idle's nice. I pulled the seat switch off. I hate them things, they're so annoying. But oil's getting pretty old, but it hasn't been used much since the last oil change, what I was told. Makes sense, the oil isn't really that bad per se. I'd say the blades will get you through at least the end of the season this year. Probably another season depending on how much you mow per year or whatever, but yeah, I mean, it's an old mower. It'll do its job for a little while longer for certain. But any questions, leave them in the comments. Otherwise, I'd say have a good one.